So what makes the NEET examination so tough and so challenging? I have a big list for this. Vast syllabus, NCERT curriculum, negative marking, time constraint, then there is killer MCQs from physics and chemistry, very hyped up examination and very less seats in the medical college. All of this makes the NEET examination quite tough and challenging. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can crack your NEET examination in the very first attempt. Not just crack the examination but also get a 600 plus marks. All of this coming your way in this video. So NEET is tough, let's agree with that. It is challenging. And it could be even difficult if you are not disciplined, if you do not have a proper structure, if you don't follow a timetable, if you don't take care of your physical and mental health. So if you follow the tips and strategies given in this video, you will make it and you'll make it big. So whether it's your first attempt giving NEET or whether you are a repeater, whether in your 11th or in your 12th, whichever segment you are in, if you're giving your NEET examination, this video will be your end for all the queries. So first things first, let's understand that number 600. What does the number 600 mean? 600 means we have to get at least 150 MCQs correct. 150 MCQs correct will reward us 600 marks. Now, these 150 questions, we should not get any negative marking. So let's say you attempt 160, 165 questions in your exam and you get maybe 2 or 3 questions wrong. That's not our aim, but if that happens, you at least have that 150 questions reserved with you to get that 600 marks. So first thing, the most important thing is to understand how many questions you have to attempt to reach to your target goal. So if 600 is your goal, your attempt should be for 150 correct MCQs and avoid negative marking at every cost. Now, even in this 150 MCQs, we can bifurcate it further. We can have a ratio of 9:3:3. So 90 MCQs from bio, 30 MCQs from physics and 30 MCQs from chemistry. You can work out the ratio according to your convenience, but I strongly suggest it should be 9:3:3. 90, 30 and 30. So bio is easy, you like the subject. Chemistry is achievable, it's still possible to do chemistry. Now physics is where most of you have difficulty and trouble in working out. So the next important thing is to analyzing your strength and optimizing your weaknesses. So look at all the 3 subjects and see which one is your strong subject and which one is your weaker one. Now even in the respective subjects, pick up the subject and see the list of chapters that it has. For example, there are 20 chapters, there are 30 chapters. In that, make a list of all the things that you know and the things that you don't know. Demark into 2 sections, the I knows and the I don't knows. So there could be some chapter in the I don't knows which are important. For example, you have a chapter semiconductor. In that you can at least expect 2 to 3 MCQs, which is like 12 marks. You ought to know such chapters. So if these important chapters are in your I don't knows, you have to learn and shift it to your I knows. So that's the next important thing to do. Understand your strength and optimize your weakness. Now when you sit to revise, revise and use entire energy, invest all your time and energy to understand and learn these I don't know chapters. So we spoke about avoiding the negative mark. This is one way of avoiding the negative marks. Getting all the I don't knows into your I knows. So making your concept, building it stronger and stronger. So one of the questions that most of you keep asking us is that whether you require coaching or not to crack NEET. So firstly, let's understand the difference between coaching and learning. Coaching is something external that you require somebody to explain that to you. You're trying to learn a skill, you're trying to learn a concept. So it's dependent upon the external factor. You need it via somebody else. Learning is something very personal. That is what only you can do it. Learning comes only when you have understood the concept, when you have some basic knowledge about the concept and you are learning to make it better and polish it. So if you know a particular concept, if you know a particular chapter or a subject, what you require to do is learning and not coaching. And if you think you do not understand that thing, you don't have the basic knowledge for that, that is when you require coaching. Maybe you do not require coaching for an entire year. Maybe you require coaching for a particular concept, maybe for a particular subject, or maybe even for a particular duration. See where you require the coaching, get the coaching, and start with your learning. Because until and unless you start your learning, your marks are not going to improve. Learning is where all the magic will happen. The next thing that you need to do is optimize your time. Optimizing time is extremely crucial and important at the same time. Prioritize your study. You need to study at the right time and make sure that you are right at the very first time. So if you're somebody who is in 11th and watching this video right now, you have approximately 2 good years. You have time at your side. But if you're somebody who's in 12th and who's not studied in the 11th, then you approximately have 10 months, let's say till December. Because after that, you're going to prepare for your boards, you need to revise for your NEET. You cannot sit and study something new after December. So for the ones who are in 11th right now, invest 4.5 hours every day consistently from today till the final day of the examination. Consistently every day. 4.5 hours is sufficient. The ones who are in the 12th right now, you need to invest around 6.5 hours daily and consistently, starting from today till the final day of the examination. So when I say studying, I don't mean the assignment, I don't mean the homework, the tutorial, journal, no, nothing like that. When I say studying, I mean hardcore NEET practice. You are studying the textbook, you're reading the textbook, you're solving the MCQs and practicing the MCQs. That's what I mean by studying. Cricket matches take a complete turnover in the last over. That's exactly what we'll be aiming to do in our NEET preparation. The last 5 months is for only and only solving mock papers, solved past papers, and practicing and writing test. The last 5 months, out of the last 5 months, the first 3 months, you're going to take test, chapter-wise test, mock test, all types of test. Out of these, 80% of your time you'll invest in writing the test and 20% of your time you'll invest in analyzing your mistakes. See what mistakes you've done, learn and relearn from your mistakes. If there is something that you've not understood, go to your teacher, learn it again. But every time you do the next paper, make sure that your graph is improving and it's going high and high. So out of the 5 months, 3 months we're going to do this, taking the test, analyzing the mistake. See what mistakes you've done. Are you doing it repeatedly? If you don't understand what you've done wrong, go to your teacher, get your teacher to explain it. But make sure you don't repeat the same error over and over again. So the 3 months is only reserved for me taking test. The next 2 months, you are going to solve only mock papers and past NEET question papers. Every day 2 question papers. That's how you're going to polish yourself. So the negative marking, which we need to avoid, this is how we will avoid the negative marking. So every new paper that you attempt, you will see that your score graph is going high and high. So what books to follow? What material to follow for the NEET examination? NCERT. Just the NCERT. Have your 11th, 12th NCERT. Also follow the exemplars from the NCERT, exemplar problems from the NCERT section. All of this is available online to download. Now, bio NCERT is sufficient. But if you think you need an additional support, an additional material to get chapter-wise MCQ question, then you can use an MCQ book. Any MCQ book is sufficient. So maybe you can use USS, that's a good book. You can use MTG or Target publication. Chemistry, NCERT is not sufficient because there's going to be numericals, there's going to be equations, derivation. So you definitely need a support of an additional book. Bio, just the NCERT is sufficient. For chemistry, make sure you have an MCQ book. Again, you can follow the same thing, the USS, the MTG or the Target publication. Physics again, NCERT itself is not sufficient. Physics is vast. There's a lot of different type of numericals coming. But in the run of practicing the numerical, don't forget to revise the theory, the factual related questions. Make sure you give attention to that as well. For physics, you can also use HC Verma for the numericals to enhance your numericals. Also, you can have one particular MCQ book. You can use the same one, USS, MTG or Target. The mental health of a NEET aspirant has to be very, very strong. You need to have a positive mindset. There's going to be a lot of distraction. Family, friends, social media, college, peer group, relationship, somebody else's relationship, and many more distractions. You need to have a positive mindset throughout to be able to crack NEET examination. Learn to say no to influences, to friends who are not career oriented, who are not study focused. Make friends with ones who are more career oriented, who are more serious towards their goals. You wouldn't want the non-serious friends, their habits to rub onto you. Rather, you would want to learn and adapt newer skills and newer qualities from people who are more career and goal oriented. So make sure you are having a positive mindset, strong health, you're maintaining a good physical health as well. So we at Maristo, we've planned a lot of such conceptual study related videos. Make sure you're subscribing and you're hitting the bell icon so that you get notified on time. Meanwhile, also go and check the description. There's a lot of free resources to read and go through. So write to us about your issues, about what are your concerns in cracking the NEET examination. We are committed to help you to crack the exam. So until the next video, take care and good luck.